Hey guys, and welcome back. So some of you may already know, if you follow me on Instagram, that I got a new Snowfoam lance for my birthday last week. So Ryan's parents bought me the Carbon Collective Ultra HD Snowfoam lance, which was really kind of them because they are very expensive Snowfoam lances. Since I have been detailing cars or get into the detailing world or enthusiast world, I have always had the same Snowfoam lance. I have two. I have got the Autoglym one and just a Amazon special. I have £10 Amazon special one. Now, today I'm going to compare the two, see what differences there actually is. Now, bearing in mind the Carbon Collective Snowfoam lance is around 45 quid. I'm going to go with the Amazon one today, try it and see what the difference is, because like I said, it was in around £9–10 at the time when I bought it, and I've had it for a few years. It's never had any issues and it's always done the job that I needed to. This is the Carbon Collective one. I basically only wanted this because it was black. I did like the black one. I thought it would give me so many scene points when I'm doing my videos. Okay, we will look at the Carbon Collective one now. I did do a little bit of research on it to see why it was that bit more expensive. I couldn't figure out what was making it so much more expensive. The thing that I'm disappointed with the most about this is that there is no stamp anywhere to tell me that this is a Carbon Collective Snowfoam lance. And I think that lets it down a little bit because you're paying the money, you are paying for the name, we all know that. And it's not branded anywhere. All you get is a box saying Carbon Collective. Metal is supposed to be some sort of metal that is not going to corrode, not going to rust like this one has done. It's a little bit heavier than the other one. So my favourite thing is how big the hole is to put the foam and stuff in. You guys will know that it's not easy to put the Snowfoam into a lance that has only a little tiny hole at the top. You spill it everywhere, you get wastage of Snowfoam. So I do really like how big the hole is at the top. Is it worth £45? I don't know. So this is my Snowfoam lance I've had for years. You can see that it has, you know, started to tarnish and started to corrode a little bit, started to change colour. But is it worth paying that much extra for a Snowfoam lance? You can see what I mean by the hole. Everyone's pretty much got that same Snowfoam lance hole, and it's very hard to fill it. You need a funnel. I suppose it will be the test to see if it makes any difference to you applying the Snowfoam, if it makes any difference to the texture of the Snowfoam, makes any difference of how the Snowfoam comes out. And I was telling you guys that I was going to show you around my new premises. It is an absolute tip, but I'm going to show you guys today, give you a sneak peek. So I'm just going to use the 711 Snowfoam in both of the cannons and see which way it comes out. Be a good test to see what a £10 Snowfoam lance is like and a £45 Snowfoam lance is like. That is the car washed with the same Snowfoam. I tried to go for the same amount of Snowfoam, but like I told you guys, I couldn't actually see through the little line to see how much Snowfoam I had in the bottom. I just winged it and guessed what I had. In my opinion, there was no difference in the Snowfoam, the way the Snowfoam was applicated, the way the Snowfoam came out. I will use the Carbon Collective one, don't get me wrong. I do like it as a Snowfoam lance. So this is just to compare the difference price-wise of Snowfoam lances, and if there is much point in spending a huge amount of money on a Snowfoam lance. If you already have one, that does your job. I do feel like visual wise it is a lot better looking. It will make the videos a lot better. It will give me scene points, and yeah, I think visual wise it'll be a lot nicer to work with, and that was what I was going for. So really it's up to you if you want to spend the extra money for the look of the product. It might last longer life wise. If you're not worried about how it looks, then yeah, stick with your cheaper Snowfoam lance. I do like the look of them. I've said this a million times. I like the look of the lance, and that was why I wanted one. Again, disappointed because there's no branding on the actual Snowfoam lance, and I think it's a bit of a letdown that way. When you pay so much money for it and you are paying for the name, we all know we're paying for the names when we're buying these accessories. So in my opinion, was the Carbon Collective Snowfoam lance better than the £10 Snowfoam lance? No. Is it made better? Yes. I didn't see any difference Snowfoam wise. So it does what it's supposed to do. It does put Snowfoam on the car, it does give a nice layer, but so does the cheaper option. So you guys can make your own mind up. I am really interested to know what you guys think down below, and if anyone has the Carbon Collective Snowfoam lance as well. I want to know what you think and what your opinions are, and if they're different to mine, let me know. And thank you so much to Ryan's parents for giving me this for my birthday. I really did want it for a long time, and I am glad I have it. So I'm going to go up and show you guys a sneak peek of the new premises, give you an idea of what's going to happen in here and what I am doing with the premises. It is 3 places into one. We are not going to do walls, we're doing a whole lot of stuff, but I will explain all when I get there. This big wall is all coming down. You can see the outline of where the big door used to be. So this all has to come down, and this interior wall needs to come down first. You will see from the inside the bricks that need to come down. They will all be coming down this week, and then we will have a bigger doorway to bring in the cars. I'm not actually sure what I'm going to do with this doorway and little hall area, but as you can see where Ryan is standing, there used to be a door here and we knocked it down. I didn't have my camera before we went ahead and knocked it down, but that was a complete closed door with these 2 doors here. Actually, we're in the middle of them. And now on to the place where I'm most excited about. This is where we are going to keep our cars. I will come back to this section in a minute and explain more. But yeah, these mirrors are coming down, they're hideous. And if I go through this little door, this is where my shop is going to be. I will tell you guys all about the shop once I get a few brands on board and stuff. But we are opening a shop in this premises. And yes, the shop will be open to the public. So come out through the other door, it will take you back to the hall area, and as you can see, this place is huge. So this is going to be 2 detailing bays, one on the left, one on the right. Come back to those maybe later on and tell you a bit more about them. And now the wall is down. This used to be a gym, so you will probably notice the shower in the corner. There's actually 2 showers and 2 toilet facilities in this premises. And in here used to be a salon. The last people who rented this place just left in a tip. So it's just really a matter of a quick paint and a little tidy up of some of the parts and pieces. Ryan is looking as pleased as ever with himself. Now we're on to building a stud wall to make a partition in between the 2 detailing bays so we can put the lights on each side of the bay. Me to you. Now this isn't going to be done overnight, but there is a huge amount of work to go into this place. With the help of some good friends, it won't take long to get through. And I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who supports me, supports the brand, supports the channel, and even just as much as liking pictures and stuff on Instagram. It really does mean a lot to me, and if it wasn't for YouTube, I probably would never ever have decided to go down this route with the shop and taking this unit on and having a bigger premises. I really do appreciate everyone's support and everyone who has stuck by me from day one. And I know I'm only a small channel, but it is growing every day. I see the numbers jumping up every single day. I see the view counting up every single day. And it's nothing to do with money, this channel. I make very little money on this channel. And yeah, I just really enjoy it. But your support means the absolute world, and it is thanks to you guys that I've started my brand, and I'm starting now to bring on other products. Let me know what you guys thought of the new place, and yeah, hopefully we should be finished with the renovations in the next maybe 5 weeks, and it should look like a completely different place. Alright guys, I'm going to stop ranting on now. As always, hit the like button, comment down below, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.